Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad dressing without egg. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. These simple swaps ensure a creamy, flavorful dressing without any raw egg. Now, let's mix everything together. In a medium bowl, combine your mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, fresh lemon juice, and minced garlic. Whisk these ingredients until they are well combined and smooth. Next, add the Worcestershire sauce and a generous dash of freshly ground black pepper. Finally, gradually whisk in the grated Parmesan cheese until the dressing is creamy and uniform. This is where you make it truly yours. Taste the dressing and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or even a touch more lemon juice for brightness. If the dressing is too thick, add a teaspoon or 2 of water or olive oil until it reaches your preferred consistency. A tiny pinch of sugar can also help balance the acidity, creating a perfectly rounded flavor profile. Once your delicious egg-free Caesar dressing is complete, transfer it to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days. This dressing is perfect for classic Caesar salads, as a dip for vegetables, or even as a spread on sandwiches. Remember to give it a good shake before each use. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.